Let's take a look at what the tailgate chef is cooking today.
Hello, and welcome to my small kitchen. Today we're cooking inside the little White House, our travel trailer, RV. A couple of reasons. Number one is I don't have a stove outside to cook this one in. And number two, it's been raining all day long. Today we're going to be making a quick, simple ravioli. Again, just a great little dish to have while you're out camping, and it's very, very easy to prepare. First, we have a pan. We've already sprayed it with non-stick spray. We're going to take some pasta sauce. We're using ragu. I really prefer Rayo's, but ragu is all we had this time. We're going to pour a little bit into our pan. We're going to spread it around. You'll probably see my helper in just a minute here, Mr. Jake. He's already looking for his first bite to sample the food. This is a bag of already made ravioli. This is the sausage cream filled, cheese filled. We buy these at the Walmart. You can probably find them other places, but you come back and you lay a layer of these in your pan on top of that sauce. I've cooked this numerous times at home and while we've been out, and everybody just loves it. The family loves it. And again, like I said, it's a very easy dish to make. But go ahead and fill the bottom of that pan up. Next, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, but in this case, we have a Italian blend, which is a little bit of mozzarella and Parmesan. We're going to sprinkle some of that on top. And half of it on top of the stove. Next, we're going to add ricotta cheese. This gives it that extra creamy taste to make it just that rich feeling that we all enjoy in a good lasagna. So we're just going to take a small spoon and we're just going to put some dollops of this into the pan. If my ice maker behind me is making noise, I apologize for that, but that's probably one of the best things we've bought for camping is that ice maker. Miss Em and I both love ice in our drinks, and we use the heck out of that. We're going to add another layer of sauce, a pretty hefty one. We're going to spread it around. And then a final layer of the raviolis. Y'all have all met Jake, our other dog, who is Jazz, is standing behind him. You're probably hearing her. She's sometimes more impatient than he is. They're got the whiff of this. They've had their taste of it before. I think they know what it is. They're wanting some. Okay, there goes another round of ravioli. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of the sauce on top. Try to make sure you have all the top layer of raviolis covered up pretty good. We're going to put a few more dabs of the ricotta cheese. Miss Jazz, I'm making it as fast as I can. I'm making it. She's very, very impatient. Both these dogs are rescue dogs. We got them both from shelters in the Houston area. We've just always felt that dogs rescued from shelters just make better dogs. We've had purebreds before, but these guys, we love them to death. They're my travel buddies. One more layer of the mozzarella Italian style cheese. Can't ever have too much cheese, in my opinion. All right, pardon my mess. Once we have that made or put together, we're going to put it in our oven. We're going to set it at 350 degrees and cook it for 30 minutes. Move, Cass. Move, Jake. Move. Again, in 30 minutes, we'll be back. Our lasagna is ready. It's time to take it out of the oven. It's been about 30 minutes. We're going to give this time to cool. I'd say about 15 minutes. It'll firm up a little bit, makes it a whole lot easier to serve. I've got to be an honest person with you guys. I was sitting aside after I had this in the oven and realized I normally take a pound of ground Italian sausage, fry it up, and put it in with the ragu sauce. I completely forgot to do that. I've had it without it and it's still good, but it would be better if you would take the Italian sausage, cook you some, and mix it in with the Italian sauce, the pasta sauce, and add it to this dish to beef it up a little bit. Just a suggestion. We'll be back in a minute. See how it tastes. We went ahead and served some out. I'll give you a close-up of it in just a second. It broke up a little bit more because I probably should have let it cool a little bit longer. As you can see, Jake is down here waiting for his try. I probably should have let it cool a little bit longer, but I'm starving. I was ready to eat, so let's give it a try. Man, to believe that came from some raviolis and just some pasta sauce and a little bit of cheese, that stuff is fantastic. Like I said, I did not put the ground Italian sausage in this, but it's still good. You can go either way with it. So thank you for watching and give this one a try. Please hit like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.